Hi ladies and gentlemen, Steve Zavisa with John Jones Real Estate. Just like to take a few seconds to entice you to come out and see me this Sunday from 1 to 3 at 804 Laramie Court, south side of Murfreesboro. We've got 1,757 square feet total and it's priced right under $250,000. Let's go inside.
And here's the open concept living and kitchen area. We also have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a bonus room upstairs.
All right, now I want to show you the backyard. And look at this huge fenced-in backyard. Backs up to nothing but a field. Think about it. Cornhole, volleyball, pool. You already got your fire pit right there. Come out and see me Sunday, 1 to 3, 804 Laramie Court. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. You don't want to miss this. Again, priced right under $250,000.